Hi alle sammen, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss Norwegian vocabulary related to the kitchen. På kjøkkenet, på kjøkkenet, på kjøkkenet, in the kitchen. Knowing kitchen-related vocabulary is essential, whether you are planning to travel to Norway, engage with its culture, or learn the language for better communication in Norway. Let's explore some basic Norwegian words related to the kitchen that every beginner should know. Basic kitchen vocabulary. Et kjøkken, et kjøkken, et kjøkken, a kitchen. Et kjøleskap, et kjøleskap, et kjøleskap, a refrigerator. En fryser, en fryser, en fryser, a freezer. En ovn, en ovn, en ovn, an oven. En mikrobølgeovn, en mikrobølgeovn, en mikrobølgeovn, a microwave oven. En komfyr, en komfyr, en komfyr, a stove. En kjøkkenvask, en kjøkkenvask, en kjøkkenvask, a kitchen sink. Et skap, et skap, et skap, a cabinet. Ei skuff, ei skuff, ei skuff, a drawer. Kitchen utensils and appliances. En kniv, en kniv, en kniv, a knife. En gaffel, en gaffel, en gaffel, a fork. Ei skje, ei skje, ei skje, a spoon. En tallerken, en tallerken, en tallerken, a plate. En kopp, en kopp, en kopp, a cup. Et glass, et glass, et glass, a glass for drinking. En tekjele, en tekjele, en tekjele, a teapot. En kjele, en kjele, en kjele, a pot. Ei panne, ei panne, ei panne, a pan. Et rivjern, et rivjern, et rivjern, a grater. Cooking and preparation terms. Å lage mat, å lage mat, å lage mat. To cook, to make food. Å bake, å bake, å bake, to bake. Å steke, å steke, å steke, to fry. Å koke, å koke, å koke, to boil. Å skjære, å skjære, å skjære, to cut. Å blande, å blande, å blande, to mix. Ingredienser, 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 ingredients. Ei oppskrift, ei oppskrift, ei oppskrift, a recipe. Common phrases you might hear in a Norwegian kitchen. Hva skal vi ha til middag? Hva skal vi ha til middag? Hva skal vi ha til middag? What should we have for dinner? Kan du sende meg saltet? Kan du sende meg saltet? Kan du sende meg saltet? Can you pass me the salt? Ovnen er for varm. Ovnen er for varm. Ovnen er for varm. The oven is too hot. Hvor er stekepannen? Hvor er stekepannen? Hvor er stekepannen? Where is the frying pan? The kitchen is a central part of any home, and by understanding its vocabulary in a new language, you can start to feel more at home in a Norwegian-speaking environment. Whether you're cooking a meal, setting the table, or engaging in casual conversation, the terms and phrases introduced in our discussion today will surely be useful. As to expand your Norwegian vocabulary, don't forget to practice what you've learned. Immersion is a key factor in language learning. Try labeling items in your kitchen or even following a Norwegian recipe. The more you use these terms in real life situations, the more natural they will become. Unlock a world of opportunity and connect with a rich cultural heritage by learning Norwegian from zero to hero with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Our immersive courses and expert instructors guide you every step of the way, ensuring you become fluent and confident in the language. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Unlock the full learning experience with Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School by becoming a Patreon member today at patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. Patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. You will get downloadable worksheets to practice what you've learned from our YouTube videos, podcasts, and gain exclusive perks like membership, only chats, transcripts, one-on-one private classes, early access to new content, Discord access, etc., for an immersive and interactive Norwegian language learning journey. Thank you for tuning in to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.